In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fully disconnect your AirPods from your iPhone. So Apple have made it very simple to disconnect your AirPods from your iPhone. If you are currently using your iPhone but you simply want to disconnect them from your device, all you need to do is to put the AirPods back into their case and close out of the case, and they will automatically disconnect. Now if you want to disconnect them manually from your iPhone, you simply need to go into the settings application, and then you should see them here at the top. However, if you don't, you want to go into Bluetooth settings, and then you want to find your AirPods and click on the little eye information icon next to them. This will take you into your AirPods settings, and to disconnect them you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you want to click on disconnect, and they have now manually been disconnected from your iPhone. However, if you want your iPhone to forget the Bluetooth connection to your AirPods, or you want to disconnect them from your Apple ID, the first thing you need to do is to go into your settings application, and then you want to go back into Bluetooth settings, and from here you want to click on the little information icon next to the AirPods that are currently listed. Once you've done this, you want to click on forget this device at the very bottom, and then you want to click on forget device, and here it's going to warn you that when you do this, it's going to disconnect it from all of your devices and your iCloud account. So once you're ready, you want to click on forget device, and as you can see, they have now disappeared from the list of devices, and these AirPods no longer have ownership, so they are ready to connect to a new device. As a bonus tip, if you are planning on selling your AirPods to a new owner, I do recommend factory resetting your AirPods to remove any additional information. So to reset our AirPods to factory settings, we first want to open the case, and you want to make sure the earpieces are inside. Once we've done this, you want to find the button on the back, and you want to press and hold this button until the LED starts flashing at the front. We want to press and hold this button for about 5 to 15 seconds until it starts flashing amber. As you can see, it is now flashing amber, so we can release the button and close the lid, and this means our AirPods have now been fully factory reset, so they are safe to pass on to a new owner. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.